Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So we're diving into the world of high-end espresso today. I'm checking out the Breville Oracle Touch that promises third-wave coffee at home. Pretty exciting, right?
Absolutely. And I've got the Miele CM 6360 Milk Perfection. Miele is known for quality, so I'm eager to see how it stacks up. It sounds like we're both in for some serious coffee experiences.
Yeah, both super-automatic espresso machines, but let's see what makes them different and which one might be the better buy for our listeners. Let's start with the user experience. Okay, the Breville boasts a touchscreen, hence the touch in the name for easy selection of drinks. You can swipe and select espresso, latte, cappuccino, pretty intuitive.
The Miele has a one-touch for two feature, so you can make two drinks at once. Perfect for couples or when you have guests. It also has programmable connoisseur profiles, up to 8.
Nice! The Breville lets you personalize up to 8 coffees, adjusting strength, milk texture, and temperature. You can even save them with your own unique name.
The Miele goes one better, offering 8 individual profiles so everyone in the family can have their perfect coffee saved. Plus, it's Wi-Fi compatible, which is a modern touch.
The Breville has an integrated precision conical burr grinder that automatically grinds, doses, and temps 22 grams of freshly ground coffee. Very hands-off, ensuring maximum flavor.
The Miele also has an aroma-friendly conical grinder, and you can adjust the grinder settings, which is cool for dialing in your perfect grind. It also has a coffee powder drawer for pre-ground coffee if you want to use that sometimes.
Breville mentions an overpressure valve to limit pump pressure and prevent bitter flavors, plus a low-pressure pre-infusion to expand the grinds evenly. Sounds technical, but it's all about the taste.
Miele has something called an aromatic system, which I guess helps with optimal brewing and extracting the most aroma from the beans. It also has a double shot function if you need an extra kick.
The Breville comes with a self-cleaning steam wand powered by a dedicated boiler for barista-quality microfoam. Latte art, here I come. It includes a 480 milliliters stainless steel milk jug.
The Miele automatically rinses the milk line with water, which sounds like it saves a lot of hassle. Plus, it has a comfort clean system and removable brew unit for easy maintenance.
The Breville has a 67 ounces water tank and a half-pound bean hopper. Good capacity for a household that drinks a lot of coffee. It operates at 1,800 watts.
Miele's is a bit smaller, with a 60 ounces 1.8 L water tank and a 10.6 ounces bean container. It runs on 1.5 kilowatts, so slightly less power consumption. It also has LED lighting, which is a nice aesthetic touch. Both sound pretty amazing for home coffee lovers. It really comes down to personal preference and budget, I guess. The Miele is significantly more expensive, so is the extra convenience and customization worth the premium? That's the big question.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.